Chapter 1. The Law of Irrationality. 1. Emotions influence our decisions more than we realize. 2. Recognizing our biases is the first step to rational thinking. 3. We often rationalize our decisions rather than making rational decisions. 4. Emotional self-awareness is crucial to managing irrationality. 5. Patience and reflection help us make better decisions. 6. Recognize and resist emotional triggers. 7. Avoid making decisions when highly emotional. 8. Understand the emotional roots of others' behaviors. 9. Developing a realistic self-image prevents self-deception. 10. Stay curious and question your assumptions. Chapter 2. The Law of Narcissism. 11. Everyone has narcissistic tendencies. 12. Self-love and confidence are different from narcissism. 13. Understand the spectrum of narcissism. 14. Empathy can counter narcissistic behaviors. 15. Narcissists often feel insecure and seek validation. 16. Avoid flattery when dealing with a narcissist. 17. Recognize manipulative behaviors stemming from narcissism. 18. Cultivate genuine self-esteem to avoid narcissistic traps. 19. Learning to listen effectively reduces narcissistic tendencies. 20. Healthy relationships require balanced self-interest and empathy. Chapter 3. The Law of Role-Playing. 21. We all play roles to fit into society. 22. Understanding others' roles helps us see their true intentions. 23. Adapt your role based on the context and audience. 24. Avoid becoming too entrenched in any single role. 25. Authenticity involves balancing different aspects of ourselves. 26. Recognize when others are acting out of character. 27. Be aware of the masks you wear in different situations. 28. Understanding role-playing helps in negotiating and influencing. 29. The ability to role-play can be a powerful tool for personal growth. 30. Strive to align your roles with your true values. Chapter 4. The Law of Compulsive Behavior. 31. Recognize patterns in your behavior that are repetitive and compulsive. 32. Compulsive behaviors often stem from unresolved conflicts or needs. 33. Awareness of your triggers can help manage compulsions. 34. Repetition compulsion can lead to self-destructive habits. 35. Reflecting on past behaviors helps identify patterns. 36. Breaking a compulsive cycle requires conscious effort and change. 37. Understand that others also have compulsive patterns. 38. Compassion and patience are key in dealing with compulsive behaviors. 39. Setting boundaries helps in managing compulsive influences from others. 40. Personal growth involves transforming compulsive behaviors into conscious actions. Chapter 5. The Law of Covetousness. 41. Desire often drives human behavior. 42. Understanding what you covet reveals your deeper motivations. 43. Beware of the grass is greener syndrome. 44. Coveting often leads to envy and dissatisfaction. 45. Focus on appreciating what you have. 46. Understand the difference between healthy ambition and destructive covetousness. 47. Others' covetous desires can influence their actions towards you. 48. Redirect covetous desires into productive goals. 49. Self-awareness helps manage feelings of covetousness. 50. Building contentment and gratitude counters covetous tendencies. Chapter 6. The Law of Short-Sightedness. 51. Many people prioritize immediate gratification over long-term benefits. 52. Strategic thinking involves seeing the bigger picture, .53. Avoid knee-jerk reactions. Take time to consider long-term consequences. 54. Patience and delayed gratification are key to long-term success. 55. Recognize when others are being short-sighted. 56. Planning and foresight help navigate complex situations. 57. Learn from historical examples of short-sightedness. 58. Balance short-term needs with long-term goals. 59. Understand the role of risk in decision-making. 60. Cultivate a vision for the future to guide your actions. Chapter 7. The Law of Defensiveness. 61. People naturally resist change and criticism. 62. Defensive behavior often masks insecurity. 63. Approach others' defensiveness with empathy. 64. Reflect on your own defensiveness to understand its roots. 65. Constructive feedback requires tact and timing. 66. Building trust reduces defensive reactions. 67. Recognize when you're being overly defensive. 68. Practice active listening to reduce others' defensiveness. 69. Defensive behavior can be a barrier to personal growth. 70. Learn to receive criticism gracefully and use it for self-improvement. Chapter 8. The Law of Self-Sabotage. 71. We often undermine our own success. 72. Self-sabotage can stem from fear of failure or success. 73. Identify and confront self-limiting beliefs. 74. Build habits that support your goals. 75. Reflect on past mistakes to understand patterns of self-sabotage. 76. Surround yourself with supportive influences. 77. Develop a growth mindset to counter self-sabotage. 78. Self-compassion is key to overcoming self-sabotage. 79. Set realistic goals and celebrate small achievements. 80. Understand that setbacks are part of the learning process. Chapter 9. The Law of Repression. 81. Repressed emotions can influence behavior unconsciously. 82. Awareness of repressed emotions is the first step to managing them. 83. Reflect on your childhood experiences to understand repressions. 84. Repression can lead to passive-aggressive behavior. 85. Healthy expression of emotions prevents repression. 86. Therapy and introspection can help uncover repressed emotions. 87. Repression often manifests in physical symptoms. 88. Cultivate emotional intelligence to manage repression. 89. Understand that others also deal with repressed emotions. 90. Creating a safe environment encourages emotional expression. Chapter 10. The Law of Envy. 91. Envy is a common but often hidden emotion. 92. Recognize envy in yourself to manage it effectively. 93. Envy often stems from a feeling of inadequacy. 94. Use envy as a motivator for self-improvement. 95. Understand that others may envy you. 96. Practice gratitude to counter feelings of envy. 97. Avoid comparing yourself to others excessively. 98. Building self-esteem reduces susceptibility to envy. 99. Recognize the destructive potential of envy. In relationships, learn to celebrate others' successes genuinely.